Oh my god, this look a mess. Let me get a baby wipe. This is too much for me. You guys, it's your girl Victoria and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be the viral TikTok challenge for foundation. I'm not sure if you've seen already, but I am going to post a clip. It's when you go ahead and put a bunch of foundation on your face and then you blend it out with your hands, and then you do the same thing for the concealer and you blend that out with your hands, and then you go ahead with the rest of your makeup routine. I'm actually going to tell you how I feel. You're going to watch me do it because I think that's cool when people like start putting weird stuff on TikTok that I've never seen before. So you guys are probably going to start seeing that on my channel. Just like me reviewing the hacks. If you want to see that, if you like that, then give me a thumbs up in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already. And let's get into it. Alright, so I put my hair back because this is going to get messy. You're going to need foundation, a setting powder, and you're also going to need your concealer. You definitely need everything you do your makeup with. You're just going to be doing it a little different. I am not using the makeup that I usually use for like an everyday thing because I'm running out of that one and I'm not about to waste it on this. So I'm going to use another foundation that I had. This is the Born This Way Too Faced Cosmetic foundation. This is in the color Chestnut. This used to be an exact color for me. I just stopped using it after a while. So you're going to put a bunch of that. The girl puts it on her hand. You're going to put a bunch of that on your hand and then like rub it on your face. But I'm just going to put a bunch on my face. Oh, it's just dripping. I always do my brows first too. So I don't even understand why people are doing this. This is just really not my makeup routine. This is why I'm in a sports bra too, because I just don't want to waste the shit everywhere on my clothes. So I'm just gonna take that and just like rub it in. Like, oh my god. Oh my god, this look a mess. Let me get a baby wipe. This is too much for me. It doesn't even seem or feel as if it's blended all the way. That's so crazy. Alright, I missed this spot right here. I was trying to blend it as much as possible. So now you're going to take a concealer. So I'm going to use the concealer that I actually use. And you're just going to conceal your face and you're going to rub that in as well. This looks crazy. For concealer, I use the LA Color Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm running out of that too. I'm running out of all my makeup products. That's what happens when you're consistent. So I'm just going to put that where it goes. And I'm just going to take my fingers and I'm going to blend that out as well. I feel like this is really a waste of foundation. I just feel like you're just wasting it. Like, can I use the brush now? I'm confused on if I'm able to. So it says go straight in and set your face with your setting powder, whichever one you use. I'm using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. This is probably something I would never do because it feels like so much on me. It feels like I have so much on me, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. Like, I almost feel like my face is itching. So now I'm gonna go in and contour my face. Now I'm using the Juvia Zulu palette. And in the palette, it has one little red. So I just tap my brush in there and I just contour my face. So now I'm gonna dust away my setting powder. Y'all, I really don't know what the hell is going on. I'm gonna take my finishing powder by L'Oreal. It's the 24-hour fresh wear finishing powder, and I'm just going to tap my brush in that and just put that all over my face. I don't even like product on my brows. I ran out of pencil, y'all. What the? So now I have to use a different eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna go back in and outline my eyebrows because I can't do these brows like this. I'm gonna hurry up and do my lips, and then I'm gonna do my lashes. My highlighter doesn't have a name. It had a name, but it faded away, and I just don't remember who it was. So I'm gonna take that and just highlight the points that I need to highlight. Alright, so now that I'm done it, I'm gonna hurry up and put my lashes on. Alright, you guys. So this is the end look, you guys. I hate it. I hate it with a passion because it's just so blotchy to me. I was really mad because I never do eyebrows after foundation. I don't even like product on my eyebrows, but I just tried to do what the video was doing. It's very blotchy. It feels very cakey. Like, I just feel like I have way too much on my face, and I would never go outside like that. I don't even want to do it if I'm in a rush. But I mean, it's not too bad. It's a no for me, sis. The challenge was a no for me. It kind of worked. It kind of worked. It kind of worked. It kind of worked. I ain't even gonna follow you. You tell me what you think in the comments below. What you think I look like. But it's a no for me, sis. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.